Presenting next will be Bill Sutley, and he'll be talking about some of our development in the drones.
All right, good afternoon, everyone. Let's see here. Okay. Since about March of last year, the Davey Resource Group, along with Wetland Studies and Surveys, they're a Davey company located out in Gainesville, Virginia, have been working to identify and test potential uses of small unmanned aerial systems. So far, what we learned overall is that using drones, we can reduce data collection time with increased quality of deliverables. And we also found that drones can be a great marketing and communication tool. Drones they can offer a unique perspective that you just really can't get from the ground. Currently, we have 4 FAA certified pilots on the DRG and WSSI staff. There's myself here, based in the Kent office. Then at WSSI, Chad Lescaries, he's Chief of Surveys down there. And then with him, Paul and Dan. I'm not going to try to butcher their last names. Some of the applications for unmanned aerial systems we have explored thus far include monitoring of environmental sites, gathering high-resolution orthorectified imagery. I have a couple examples of that a little bit later. Real estate photo and videography, and then also mapping and inspecting of utility features. A quick update, a couple of the projects that were mentioned in the last webinar. You can see here on the left an example of an oblique photo that WSSI captured for one of their real estate clients. Also, we gathered some before orthomosaic imagery of a bat habitat mitigation site. This is a multi-year project that Davey is currently working on. And we plan to go out and update this this mosaic over time as the project progresses. And now for a couple of examples of newer projects. Here we have an example from WSSI of a project they are doing in Annapolis, Maryland, where they capture some aerial photography and video of a 100-acre site. Their client is using this imagery for their planned exhibits that go along with the application they're processing through the city. And another example from WSSI, this is along the Pig River in Roanoke, Virginia. They're currently under a 5+ year contract for monitoring of this site. Part of this agreement, you can see here, the drone they captured some drone imagery along this river to monitor the changing of the river over time. Here's a project that we did here at DRG. This is a result of about 25 minutes of drone flying and about 7 hours of imagery processing. And here you can see the difference. The left is some traditional satellite-based imagery you can get, which is about 1 foot per pixel. And then on the right is the drone captured imagery, which is about 1.5 inches per pixel. Some things that we learned over the past few months. Weather does play a large factor. Drones they don't do great when it's rainy or cloudy. But then again, I guess satellites don't either. Camera quality is a concern. When working at a scale of 1.5 inches per pixel, the need for high quality camera equipment just gets amplified. And a benefit of working with drones is speed on return of results. We can fly the entire site like this and get results in about a day's time. What's next for us? We're going to continue to explore topographic mapping. And in the next couple weeks also, we plan on flying a drone to capture imagery for some marketing materials. Also, we have a project lined up to inspect trees for damage from some invasive pests. And then we want to investigate higher-end drone platforms. Like I said, the camera quality is a big factor, and higher-end drones will provide us with the higher quality cameras. That's it. Thank you.